Hey guys, this is Mr. H. This is question number 18 from the June 2024 Algebra 1 Regents exam. Basically, this is just asking you to find the average rate of change between the beginning, your starting point, and your ending point. And average rate of change is nothing more than slope. Okay, and so here's what I'm going to do. So we have 2 points here. We start here and we end here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to calculate the slope. I'm going to use two ways. I'm going to do rise over run, and then I'm going to do y1 or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I'm going to do it two ways. So if we were doing rise, we would go up. I'm just going to go up 10, 20, 30, 40. 50 and then halfway, so this would be 55. That's the rise. And then this one, the run, I'm going to make that blue. The run is going to be 1, it's going out 2, 3, 4, 5, and again this will be 5.5. So the rise is on top, the run is on the bottom. And from here, I'm just going to use the calculator, and I'm going to go 55 divided by 5.5 is 10. So the answer for this one would be 10 miles per hour. Now, I'm going to do the same thing, but this time I'm going to use the, I'm just going to use the slope formula. So we still need to know the coordinates for this point right here and this point right here. So this one obviously is just 0, 0. This one is 5.5, that's the x, and the y is 55. Now, we basically wind up with the same thing. It's going to be 55 minus 0 over 5.5 minus 0, which is the same thing we just got doing the rise over run, which we should have. So this is just going to be 10 over 1, which means it's 10. Done. That's it. You can use this. By the way, we are going to do at least one day of average rate of change, because I want you guys to see it's nothing more than slope. The other way that you could do this is once you know the 2 points, you can use x. We can do 0, 0, and then we can do 5.5 and then 55. And we could use the spreadsheet and then just do menu 461. And then the slope would be our average rate of change. So you can always use the spreadsheet when you know 2 points. And whenever you have to calculate the average rate of change, they have to give you 2 points. I'm going to say that 3 more times. They have to give you the 2 points when you're calculating average rate of change. They have to give you the 2 points if you're going to do the average rate of change. They have to give you at least 2 points in order for you to calculate the average rate of change. All right, so just remember, once you know that, you can use the spreadsheet. This one was probably easier to do rise over run, but sometimes it's easier to use the spreadsheet. I'm going to stop and I'm going to post.